Today I'm sharing healthy and tasty Aloo Gobi Sabji that can be included in your lunch. So without any further delay, let's get to the recipe. For making this sabji, all you need to do add 1 teaspoon of mustard oil in a pot, then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once they are splattered, add 1/4 sliced onion, and 1.5 inch of ginger finely chopped. Saute until they become translucent. Next, I'm adding 3 to 4 chilies because I don't prefer to use red chilies. Make sure that you use green chilies in your food as much as you can because it reduces the heat within your body. Next, I'm adding 1 tomato, which is half cut finely chopped, and add 1 potato. Next, add 1 cauliflower. This cauliflower or gobi is rich in vitamin C, K, antioxidant, and fiber-like properties. And mixed all the vegetables nicely. Once they are mixed, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, pinch of hing, and rock salt as per your taste. Mixed all the ingredients so that the sabji coat with the spices. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of dry methi. It's time to serve our aloo gobi sabji. Serve it hot to increase its taste and to fill your mouth with water. Garnish some coriander leaves, and if you enjoy this recipe, please subscribe to my channel. My name is Sharon. Thanks for watching.